Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys 5 Series. I'm talking about E60 E61 generation guys, and if you're trying to find where the switch for your radiator fan is located, that sensor that activates and deactivates the fan, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. Now that sensor guys detects the temperature of the coolant in the radiator, and when that coolant drops to a certain temperature it tells the fan, okay, the coolant is cold enough, we need to turn the fan off. So it turns the fan off guys. The engine computer will send a signal to turn the fan off. When the coolant in the radiator gets really hot, actually it will turn it on. So it's very important guys, and if your radiator fan is not working or car overheating for some reason, it could be even due to that guys switch, so always check that one as well. We'll show you where it's located. That same switch guys has been used in multiple BMWs such as 3 Series, 5 Series, Z4 guys, and even 1 Series BMW. Now another thing guys, as you know, on the channel guys we make at least 200 free repair videos on every car we get at the shop. On most BMWs we'll have even more. Why? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you guys. If you need to buy a new sensor, parts, tools, anything like that, check out guys the link. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. So this is the radiator fan, that's what it looks like. You have the computer for the fan, usually integrated on the back side of the fan with the motor, and you have 4 wires most of the times coming to the fan, 1 big positive negative and 2 signal wires from the engine computer. You will have the radiators here on the front. We have all that removed. You don't need to remove any of that guys. Okay, you can replace that sensor without removing anything. All you're going to do, open the hood of your vehicle, and once you open the hood right here, okay, you will locate that hose for the radiator. Usually it will be on the passenger side in most cases, and locate a hose that has that sensor on top of it. Check it out. I'm talking about this sensor, okay, right here. This sensor is the one for the radiator fan guys, that's the switch. And how you disconnect it? Okay, you first need to drain your cooling system, because all that system will be full of coolant. If you don't drain it, you will leak coolant out, and your car will get some air in the cooling system. So drain the coolant, and after that, when you put everything together, you have to fill it up with a BMW approved coolant. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. And also guys, you need to bleed the cooling system the correct way. If you don't do that, what will happen? You can overheat your car. And we have the video on the channel that explains how to do that on BMW E90, so please check it out guys. Once you do all that, okay, you're going to come right here. Once you drain the cooling system, press right here, pull up, and now right here guys, okay, you have 2 things that you need to squish and just get it out. It may get stuck because there has one O-ring that sometimes gets stuck, but this is the sensor guys. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. For any of you that need help with anything, don't hesitate guys to drop a comment and let us know, okay, what you need help with. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.